Guys, it's your girl Carol NG here again, and welcome back to this beautiful channel where we grow and glow. It's a beautiful, busy day for me, and I will be tagging you along as I run my errands today. I will be doing a few things. I'm going to purchase my new YouTube vlogging kit, and I'm also going to be going to Eastleigh. There's someone I need to get a handbag. So guys, let's go together. I've already prepared, and this is the outfit of the day. Just a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. And my beautiful sling bag is here. If you need such or any sling bag or any handbag, anything in the house, you can hit my inbox. I indicated my business number there. Some of you also have my other number. You can just inbox me. And if you don't have enough money, I normally allow for Lipia Pole Pole services. I have a till number. Once you complete paying for your item, I'll just deliver it to you. So guys, let's meet in town. I'll first go to town, pick my vlogging kit, then I'll go to Eastleigh so that I will just pick a direct car home. Bye bye, let's meet there. The car road was a bit friendly because I left the house at around 10 and I used the commercial route cars because I was going around Imenti building to pick my vlogging kit. Globe Cinema was not looking very good, and I hence decided to be part of the walking nation. I'm really sorry I was not able to film anything in the shop where I was getting my vlogging kit because the building didn't have electricity. We are hence going to catch up after I pick my items from Eastleigh. After picking my vlogging items from town, I just proceeded to Eastleigh to pick the handbags which I was supposed to deliver. I'm really sorry I was not able to record anything in town. My customer was very specific about a beige or brown bag, and this is what I exactly got for her.
settled up on these two bags, one for myself and the other one for my customer.
I'm back from Eastleigh, and I'm really sorry I was not able to capture much from town because I nilipata wherever I was getting my vlogging items hakukuwa na stima, so I was not able to capture anything. But either way, we are going to unbox what I managed to get together. I hope you enjoy. And I'm going to pin the number. Please, if you need anything to do with YouTube, any YouTube kit, you can consider buying it from Mother. Yep. We can finally unbox what I managed to get. I had told you that I will be getting some few YouTube vlogging items, and I was also going to Eastleigh to run some errands. I had several handbag orders which I needed to pick and deliver. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you whatever else I bought in Eastleigh and whatever else I bought as my vlogging items. So let me start with item number one. So I managed to get myself a ring light. For all the videos I've done on YouTube, I have never used a ring light, but I found it necessary because of my night videos, because I want as clear videos as possible. And before I even continue, let me first give a shout out to Naomi Kiki. Thank you very much because of plugging us. In fact, for the longest time, I have thought a ring light goes for maybe 5,000 or such amounts of money. But thank you for enlightening us, and I finally got it, and I'm happy about it. So we can unbox it together. So it has this one, I think it's for adjusting or something. Yep, I'll fix it. And here is our beautiful ring light. So it's 14-inch and I bought it at 2,500. Yeah, and I, of course, all these items I got them from the same person whom Naomi Kiki had bought from. She's called Mother. I'm going to pin her number. If you need anything to do with YouTube vlogging, be it the microphone or anything, stand, just go there and tell her umetumwa na Karo, and she is going to give you at these good prices. So there it is. It's 14-inch. I said it's 2,500 shillings. I also bought a stand, but actually it's the one I'm using it right now. It's the one I'm using right now to vlog. So I don't think I'll show you the stand, but I'll show you what I have been using before. I have a stand, but it is faulty. Let me show you how it looks like. Just look at it. It cannot stand on its own. Ilivunjika hapa chini. So when I'm doing videos that require it, I really struggle. So that's why I felt I really needed a new stand, which I got. Look at this upper part. Nimeifunga na sellotape because one of the inaitwaje, the bolts hizi zimeshikilia huku got lost, and I tried looking for it in the house, tried getting a spare, and I did not get it. That's why I had to get another one. So I'm happy I finally have a stand. I'll not struggle. This one I'll give it to my baby awe anacheza nayo because she really loves it. So nitampatia tu, she can use it as one of her toys from tomorrow. I also bought these microphones. I realized sometimes when I do the sit down videos, my friends normally complain that my sound was not very clear. So I don't want to keep saying, sorry, my sound is not clear. That's why I got this. They're just small microphones. That was the second item I got. Let me remove it from the paper. Sorry for that. So I think when I'm doing a sit down video, I don't require a long microphone because I normally sit well. The camera is just right ahead, before me. So this one will serve me better. Yeah. I also got this other item. This one, it's called a Bluetooth shutter. You see, when I'm doing the sit down videos, kuna vile, if you don't have someone to set for you the customer, the camera, you unajipatanga sometime umeenda hiyo side unazima but I don't have to do that. I'll be using this one to control my camera. It's called a Bluetooth shutter. Yes, this one, and she sold me at 200 shillings, and the microphone went for 350 shillings. So those are the 4 things I bought for my YouTube channel: the stand, the ring light, the Bluetooth shutter, and the microphone, because I want my my YouTube channel to get better. I will be uploading, I think, my 51st video, and from here I really want growth. Yep. So next I went to Eastleigh. Of course, I delivered one of the handbags that I had showed you, so it's not here. I'm only going to show you what I was left with for myself. I bought this beautiful handbag for myself. I hope you love it. It's white in color, but it has some, it's checked with some black color. And the spacing is inside is everything for me. So it has several pockets. This is pocket number 1, number 2, and number 3. So that's how beautiful it is. In case you need such and many more, just inbox me. I have several photos. Yep, you can send me and I deliver timely. And all these handbags that I post on my WhatsApp status, if you normally view my status, I normally sell them all at 1500 shillings only, ladies. And gentlemen, please surprise your ladies. I sell such beautiful bags. I also bought myself a purse. I have another one, but I feel it's old, so I'm going to give it out and remain with this one. It has several pockets too. It has this pocket. It has this other one. It has a third one. Yeah, that's why I loved it. And the decoration outside is also very, very beautiful. Just look at it. Yep, I hope you love it too. And I also got another small one. I have another one, but it's also old. Nimekaa I think for a whole year. That's why I got this one for my small handbags. Yeah, because I don't love carrying my ID and maybe money just like that. So this one will serve me good. It also has several pockets. It has this one. Yep. So the two of them were going for 350 shillings for each. This one and this one. So this was for 700 shillings. And of course, I didn't forget to buy my daughter something. I bought her a trouser. She has several body shapers, but she doesn't have a maroon color. So I decided to get her this. So that's it, guys. Those are the several items I managed to buy. In case you need any of them, I'm going to tag you Mother's number. She's called Mother, the one who sold me the Bluetooth items. And the second thing, if you need any handbag, if you need any duvet, any household items, you can just inbox me. I normally sell them at very, very friendly prices. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed that whole part. And the next thing we are going to do, let's go and prepare dinner because it's already night, as you can see. Yep, let's catch up in the kitchen. Yeah. Let's prepare our dinner together. This is what I'll be cooking: ugali and some greens and some beef stew. So I'll be talking less during this session of cooking. I hope you are going to enjoy the cooking session. My ugali is already cooking. So let me prepare the other ingredients so that I can cook my meat and the spinach. I'm done preparing what I'll be using. Here are my onions, then I have my garlic there. I have my tomatoes and ho-hos. I have soy sauce here, dark soy sauce, and I have, yeah, that is what I have. So actually, I don't usually add spices on my food, especially if my baby is eating. So for my meat, I'll only use this one. so I'll not use anything else. My onions seem to be many, but nitakuwa nazigawa, so I'll be using them for cooking my spinach. So when I'm doing greens and there's some meat, I don't usually add anything to the greens, so nitazikaanga tu na mafuta, and that's it. Yeah, I don't add anything else to those greens. The ugali is already done cooking, and on the other end my meat is boiling. I don't know how many of you boil meat. I think I'm never comfortable eating meat when I'm not boiled, and especially in Nairobi where I don't have confidence with the meat. So that's why I'm boiling it. So I'll be cooking my spinach here, and my meat will be cooking on that fire. My ugali is ready, nitaitoa tu. Yeah. Supper is finally ready. Yep, there is our ugali, our spinach, and our beef stew. Yep, and we've tumebakisha ugali kidogo, so karibuni. So guys, let's go have our supper. And I think I will also end this vlog here. So in case you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I hope you have enjoyed that vlog. Bye bye guys. Let's meet in our next video.